In this video, I'll show you how to use Presenter View Preview in PowerPoint, along with a feature of Zoom to share only a portion of your screen, to allow you, if you only have one screen, to show your audience in Zoom your slides as if it was slideshow view, but you, as the presenter, get to see your presenter view that has all of your notes and the preview of the next slide. So let's look at my screen here. I have a Zoom meeting already going, and I have my PowerPoint presentation that has notes in the notes section and some of my slides, most of the slides actually. And so the first thing I want to do is to make sure that I'm set up properly. So I'll check on the slideshow ribbon. I'll check in Setup Slideshow. I'll make sure it's the default presented by a speaker, and I'll make sure Presenter View has been selected. And I click OK. So to get into Presenter View Preview, and this was something that was added a few years ago in PowerPoint, so you do have to have a modern version of PowerPoint to do this, but I'm going to press Alt F5. Alt F5, and it will show me Presenter View on my single screen, because again, it's wanting to preview it for you. Now, you can adjust Presenter View. Normally it starts usually looking like this, where your next slide is a little smaller, this slide is here, and we have our notes. And then we would normally go through our presentation, but we want the audience to see just our slides and see them exactly as they would in slideshow mode. And so what we're going to do is we're going to use a feature of Zoom to share only a portion of the screen. But how do we get back to Zoom, because this took up the whole screen? We're going to use Alt-Tab to go back to our Zoom controls. And in Zoom, I'm going to say Share My Screen. And I'm going to go, normally it's on the basic, I'm going to go to the Advanced tab, and I'm going to select Portion of the Screen. Then I'm going to click Share. Now what it does is it gives you a green rectangle, usually the size of the rectangle you used before, for this particular sharing of a portion of the screen. So what we want to do is we want to make the slide that the audience is going to see a little larger than the default. So I'll move over in in Presenter View. I'll move this over so slide is a little larger, and I'll move, let's say, this down, and I can then adjust my green rectangle using the corner handle here to fit it to my slide. And you'll notice the slide has a border around it, which makes it easier to show. Now obviously you want to do all of this before your audience shows up in the Zoom meeting room, so they don't see you fiddling around with this. But once you've done this, now you are sharing just your slide in the Zoom meeting. They're not seeing your notes or anything else in Presenter View, but you can see that. Now obviously in Presenter View you might need to move your Zoom window around so it's not covering up your notes or the next slide. You have that flexibility. And now to make sure that we're on Presenter View, I can click the arrows here to make sure, okay, yes, I'm controlling my slides. And now I can just use my arrow keys. So the presentation starts, I start to go through my slides, I see my notes over there on the side, I see the next slide that's coming up. I see there's a build on this slide, some additional notes I need to remember. Click through, just using my arrow keys. And then here I have a morph transition, and the audience is seeing that because they're seeing just that portion of the screen. And then I have the build, and I have my additional notes. So it allows you as a presenter to see your notes while you're presenting, but the audience is only seeing the slides in slideshow mode. So they're seeing all the animations, transitions, and everything. So when you're done, you simply stop sharing your portion of the screen to the Zoom meeting. And in PowerPoint, you can just go and end your presentation there. So that's a way to use Presenter View Preview in PowerPoint, combined with the Zoom feature of being able to share just a portion of your screen, to allow you as a presenter to see all of your notes in Presenter View, but the audience in Zoom only sees your slides, and they see everything in your slides.
If you found this video helpful, there are 3 things you can do to help me out. First, click the like button below the video on YouTube. Second, leave a comment with any questions or feedback. And third, subscribe to my channel. Check out my websites and other videos with more tips and advice. Thanks again for watching.